Hello everyone. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to color water lily with watercolors. So first I'm drawing this water lily on my sheet and I have started making first the central one petal, and now I'm adding on all the petals one by one. The shape of the middle petals will be straight upward, and for the right petals it will little bit slant toward the right side, and for the left petals the direction will be little leftward. So as you can see, I am just adding on the petals. These are the base petals. And this you can add it like this. And the flower is ready, and I'm now going to make few leaves. So yes, the drawing is complete. Now we will start coloring. For coloring, I'm starting with crimson, with very light crimson I'm starting. So keep your shades very light, starting from bottom to upward. So the basic color will be little lighter. As you can see, I'm applying the light color of pink, or you can say crimson. We will be highlighting only those petals more which are visible in front. And now I am painting this part. Here we have drawn few twigs, so I have to be very careful. I will not overlap with pink color, as I wanted to do them with some other color, maybe yellow. And this is the depth I am giving. So this is the very first coat of our flower lily. So here you can see that I'm applying the depth to each of the the shades which have come. Now this is the last one depth I'm giving to the flower. Very carefully. This is crimson. You can mix little bit of blue with crimson to give more darker effect. I have used the crimson color only. I have not mixed any other color with that. This is little bit shadow I am showing because this part will be little darker. See you soon with another tutorial. Thank you.